There's Bill crossing the river. Almost there. All right, we'll see you guys down the trail. So we're on day 5 of hiking. Plan is for 11.5 miles today. By all accounts, weather's going to be really nice. High 75, sunny. Not much breeze though. Oh, this looks cool. Epic. The rest of the group is already pressed on, so we're gonna play a little catch up. I think everyone's feeling good. For me personally, I've felt better every day. A little bit better every day so far. Recovering from the Katahdin adventure. Oh, we're burning off miles pretty well. It's 9:40, and we've been about 5 miles done so far. This section north of Rainbow Lake Lean-To so far is pretty, Rainbow Stream Lean-To, sorry. Pretty fast hiking. A lot of mud though. Every now and again, that slows you down. Try and figure out how to keep your feet dry. Which I've mostly managed to do. I see someone else who might not have done so well right there. It's just pretty peaceful out here. Keep hearing loon calls. These rocks make for a quick pace. Okay, this is our lunch spot. I sat right here. How's your feet doing, Grayson?
I'm feeling alright. We just had to get them dry.
Yeah. Yeah. This water doesn't look super appealing.
No.
As water sources go. Not feeling it. It's pretty. Pretty clear water. There we go. Now we're talking. Cool. Look at this. About part way up the big climb of the day. It's got us breathing hard. This section's not too bad. We had a pretty good run of up, up, up. I like all these pine needles though. Soft on your feet. Oh, ping pong. Ooh. Well, it's nice that there's not a lot of flowing water through here. I feel like there could be. Hey, sidewalk. It's like paved. Amazing. Still climbing. We're gonna get another view of Katahdin from the very top when we get there.
I wonder if it's over there. Could be closer than that.
Totally wicked. There she is.
He's able to slide.
Katahdin.
He's on trail.
Yeah, that sure is. Excuse me. Got some kind of neat stuff here.
Are you recording me?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, come on!
Uh-oh. We got our first water hazard. Let's not do that. Oh, okay. Got everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Is it, should be waterproof. Well, I guess. Oh. I almost went into. Well, this is a hiking trip that Jack went swimming at 2 different shelters. Whoa. We're there. We're hiding from the rain under Kay's tarp. Brilliant. Woo! An exciting storm. Oh, we wrapped up dinner. Now we're getting ready to go to sleep at 7 p.m.
How exciting. Sounds good. We'll do coffee.
I can't wait.
Hell out of here. I just want to
But the tarp saved us from the rain. Big time. Thanks to Kay. Alright. We are chilled. We got layers on. We're getting ready for bed. Here's our tent. Jack's ready with his food bag, so we're gonna go hang our food, head to bed. Until tomorrow.